Right everyone, WeaponCollector here. Right, I thought I'd do a video showing you how to make bodkin tips for pistol crossbows. So this is the Sobek, and you can make these tips pretty easily, and I'll show you a little demo in a second. However, not everyone can make these tips. They are easy to make if you have the right tools, but if you don't have the tools, I'm going to offer a service where I'll make these tips for you. So the way that we'll do this is I will organise I think it's called in post locker or whatever it is, and you will send the tips to that locker, and I'll get a lift to go and get them, and then I'll sharpen them, turn them into bodkins, and send you them back. Because if you don't know, bodkins will penetrate at least 3 times as deep as a standard field tip, because field tips aren't really meant to penetrate very deeply. So yeah, I'll show you how to make them, and then we'll get on to how to order some. Right, I'm going to show you how I make bodkin tips for bolts that you can remove the tips from. These just unscrew. These are the Sobek bolts, so you can quite easily put bodkin tips on these. What I've got here is a handle that I made with 4 square edges, and I just find it helps you get a nice, more even bodkin tip, 4-sided bodkin doing this. So that's just a piece of broomstick squared off and a bolt put in the top, drill a hole, put a bolt in, put a pin in, and then I can screw the tips in this, hold them here, and just grind them one at a time. So just keep turning it, and that way you get a lovely even bodkin tip. I'll show you that now. I then cool it down, and then I rub the faces and there's the tips done. Right, so there you go. Yeah, there's the bodkin tips, fit perfectly in the Sobek speed loaders. So if you would like to order some, what you will need to do is send me an email. My email is in the description, asking for the in-post details. You will then pay to send the stuff to me. I'll make them. Each head I'll charge 50p a head. So it's quite cheap. So if you sent me 50 heads, it would cost you 25 quid. However, don't forget you need to pay the postage to get it to me, which will be 2 quid, and 2 quid, £2.50 to get them back. The offer's there if you like. However, I will have to restrict this to 50 per person at a time, because I can't be dealing with someone sending me like 250 heads. There'd be too much work at one time. So yeah, feel free to email me. Say, Mike, I would like to send you some tips to make into bodkins. But yeah, it'll be 2 quid to send it no matter what, however many you send. And you're obviously going to need to pay at least 2 quid to get them back. Okay? So it'll be 4 quid at least added on to the price of 50p per head. If you're up for it, let me know, and I'll send you all the details. Cheers for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like the video. Definitely subscribe. Share this places where you think it may help people. And don't forget you can become a member of the channel for as little as like £2 a month, and you'll get entries into like the giveaway you would have seen. Also, don't forget to hype the video. So if you're on a phone, go to the comment section and you'll see 2 dots, maybe 3 dots. Swipe across and it'll go to hype the video, and then it'll be sent to more people. Right, I do appreciate it. Thank you. See you later.